Our planet's surface is a story of creation and destruction written along the seams of its tectonic plates. These forces operate at opposite ends of a spectrum, constantly reshaping our world. On one side, there's creation. At divergent boundaries, plates pull apart. Imagine a 16,000-kilometer seam unzipping the Atlantic Ocean floor. This is the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. As the plates separate by a few centimeters each year, pressure drops in the mantle below. This triggers decompression melting, and basaltic magma rises to forge new oceanic crust, pushing the continents further apart. We can see this process starting on land in the East African Rift, where a continent is slowly being torn in two, a future ocean in the making. On the other side, there's collision. At convergent boundaries, plates move towards each other, resulting in destruction and transformation. When dense oceanic crust collides with a lighter continent, it has nowhere to go but down. It subducts, sinking back into the mantle. As the plate descends, it releases water, causing the mantle above to melt. This magma fuels the explosive volcanic arc of the Andes Mountains, a chain of fire built from recycled crust. But what happens when two continents collide? Neither is dense enough to subduct. When the Indian plate slammed into Asia 50 million years ago, the crust buckled, folded, and thickened, thrusting skyward. There was no subduction, so there are no volcanoes. The result is the Himalayas, the highest mountain range on Earth, a monumental crumple zone. From new seafloor rising from magma to mountains forged from continental wreckage, these opposing forces drive the eternal geologic dance that defines the face of our planet.